Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have for you some subscription yarn to show you. Sorry about the crinkling. So let's get started. Sorry about the noise. Let me pull it out of the bag. Sorry about all the crinkling. So this comes from Bumblebee Acres Farm, and each skein was $29. And they shipped it all together. So the first thing I have to show you is the Tour de Token. Find the card. Here it is. It is Tour de Token Monthly Yarn Club, and this was for April 2022, and it's the Coronation. And here is the yarn. It's called the Coronation. Sorry about the reflection. And here's the yarn. You can see the very light colors in it. It's very lightly dyed. And there it is. It's very lightly dyed. And here's the card. I got it on the worsted base. And it's very soft and very squishy. But it's very lightly dyed. So that's the first one I got. And one moment. There we go. And the second one I actually got two of these. This is the Stephen King Yarn Club, and they're doing the Misery book this month for the month of April 2022. And it says, there it is, about the colorway. I'm your #1 fan. And the yarn is inspired by the book cover. And tells you a little bit about it. So it's a winter's night blue with splashes, speckles of black and blood red. So here is this one. And there is the button. There's the button right there. And here is the yarn. You can see the blue with the splashes of black and red. That is true to color, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And I actually got two of those. So it's really, really pretty. And they're just gorgeous together, and they're just so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. I guess I shouldn't put them up. So they're really, really pretty. Love those. And I'll show you, I got the worsted base again. Try and hold it still. So I have just under 400 yards. And it is super, super squishy. So I got both of those. And then I bought an extra hank of yarn that I wanted. And this is called Fairy Crown Court of Thorns and Roses Inspired. And there it is. This is from Bumblebee Acres. Right here. And I got the marshmallow worsted. And here is the skein right here. And it is absolutely gorgeous. Right there. Matter of fact, I was thinking I could probably put these two together. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And I could actually I could put these. I might be able to put these together. You never know. But these are the skeins that I got from Bumblebee Acres. So they're really pretty. I absolutely love those. I think I'm going to put these two together. But these are the ones I got. So I got 2 of the Stephen King for the month. I got 1 of the Tortotoken, and I got 1 of the Fairy Crown Rose and Thorn inspired. So those are the yarns I got for the month of April. They're absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. And if you want to check out Bumblebee Acres, they're right there, Bumblebee Acre Farms, right there. And before I forget, because I'm getting ready to forget, I did get a couple little extras. I guess I should show those too. You always get a little card for each skein, the club skeins anyway, and it tells you about them. That was the one for the Tortotoken, right there. I forgot to show that. And there's a little bag, and I'll show you what's in there. They included a tea. And there is a Bumblebee Acres sticker. And then there is another sticker right there. It's a little blurry. It's really cute. So that's what I got. So I really like that. I thought that was really cool. And I can't wait to see what we get in the month of May. So in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.